the spool, put it in this spool handle in the front, hold the line for the nets. The spool, place it back into the spool holder, guide the fishing line while you're reeling. That's it. What we're gonna be needing today: knife, some paracord, snare wire, and a fishing line, 12-pound with its spool on it. We get the spool that has a hole in it. Let's make it and catch some fish.
Okay guys, I need to show you something. I found this rock and then I got a flashlight, and then if you put the flashlight on the rock will go up, see? You better not go too close. Humans try to refrigerate.
Jay, there's a fish on the line.
Jump out the car, man. But it's kind of easy, so I don't know. Can I reel it in? Hey, please. But I'm the first one who got it. Oh my God!
She get.
What is that? Oh my gosh! What are you doing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! You mean let out?
What is that?
It's a catfish.
Yes, sir. I am proud to present you my fishing rod. Let's see if we can get something with this. But look at this.
Wait, what? Oh my God.
Why is it that most people struggle to get a nibble when fishing for the first time? Fishing is not about the best gear or equipment, but more importantly, the correct location. Most serious fishermen apply the 90-10 rule, which is 90% location, 10% equipment. Apply the smart location system and you will be able to catch more fish. Understanding the secret allowed me to catch a fish with a DIY homemade fishing rod and reel. We even caught a shiner, a fish that we've never caught before.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir. Was that the fourth? So there you go. It goes to show that with any type of rod, you can catch something with it. If you are in the right place at the right time, no matter what equipment you got, you will always catch fish. 90% of lakes and inland waters don't hold fish. So next time you go fishing, do your research and get your location right.
Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like, share our videos with your friends. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next one.